Does Rocket Money use AI? Intro. Hook, ever wondered if the apps we use are smarter than we think? Today, we're diving into Rocket Money, a popular personal finance tool. The question is, does Rocket Money use artificial intelligence, AI, to make your financial life easier? Let's find out. Building context. What is AI? Before we delve into Rocket Money, let's quickly define AI. In simple terms, AI refers to machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, like learning, reasoning, and problem solving. AI in everyday life. AI is becoming increasingly prevalent in our daily lives. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix and Spotify, AI is shaping the way we interact with technology. Rocket Money, a brief overview. What is Rocket Money? Rocket Money is a personal finance app designed to help users manage their finances more effectively. It offers features like bill negotiation, subscription management, and credit monitoring. How does Rocket Money work? The app works by connecting to your bank accounts and credit cards. It then analyzes your spending habits to identify potential savings opportunities. Does Rocket Money use AI? Evidence of AI. While Rocket Money doesn't openly advertise its use of AI, there are several clues that suggest it's leveraging AI technology. Bill negotiation. One of Rocket Money's most popular features is its bill negotiation service. To negotiate bills effectively, the app likely uses AI algorithms to analyze historical data, identify patterns, and determine the best negotiation tactics. Subscription management. Rocket Money helps users identify and cancel unused subscriptions. This requires the app to understand the terms and conditions of various subscriptions, a task that can be challenging for humans but is well suited for AI. Credit monitoring. Credit monitoring involves analyzing a vast amount of data to detect potential fraud or identity theft. AI can be used to identify anomalies and patterns that might indicate suspicious activity. Personalized recommendations. Rocket Money often provides personalized recommendations based on your spending habits. This suggests that the app is using AI to analyze your data and offer tailored advice. The benefits of AI in Rocket Money. If Rocket Money is indeed using AI, it can offer several benefits to its users. Efficiency. AI can automate tasks, saving users time and effort. Accuracy. AI can process data more accurately than humans, reducing the risk of errors. Personalization. AI can provide highly personalized recommendations based on individual needs and preferences. Proactive problem solving. AI can identify potential problems before they occur, allowing users to take preventative measures. Real-world examples. Case Study 1. Bill negotiation success. Share a personal story or a testimonial from a user who successfully negotiated a bill using Rocket Money. Highlight how AI might have played a role in the negotiation process. Case Study 2. Subscription savings. Discuss a specific example of a user who saved money by canceling unused subscriptions through Rocket Money. Explain how AI could have helped the app identify these subscriptions. Ethical considerations. Data privacy. Discuss the importance of data privacy and how Rocket Money should handle user data to ensure ethical and responsible use of AI. Bias. Address the potential for bias in AI algorithms and how Rocket Money can mitigate this risk. Conclusion. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video, reinforcing the evidence that suggests Rocket Money uses AI. Call to action. Encourage viewers to try Rocket Money and experience the benefits of AI-powered personal finance management. Closing statement. End the video with a strong and memorable statement, such as, with AI as its secret weapon, Rocket Money is making personal finance more accessible and efficient than ever before. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.